Woo! This is about you that be in your house by now.
We're going to Emerald Isle.
Mark and then send it to me on Instagram.